Hello, what's up kids? Welcome back to another new video. And today we play a new game and its name is Bus Driving Stunts. So let's start. Wow, we have so many buses. So let's go. So let's start the game. 3, 2, 1, start. Woohoo. Wow, I am driving my bus. I am driving my bus in a beautiful sky. Ooh, wow, we almost reached to finish line. Stop, stop, stop. Take a wow. Finish line. Yay. Now let's play level 2. Let's go. I need more speed, more speed, more speed. And jump. Wow. Ho ho ho. Fans. I like brown fans. Wow, jump! Hey, oh, no, 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 no. Oh, no. Shit. My car. Don't worry. We can try again. Yes, we try again. Kids, if you watching the video, so please subscribe the channel. There you go, there you go, there you go. Jump, jump, jump. Yay. We almost reached to finish line. Oh, hey, stop it. Oh, my car. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh, no. We lose again. Shit. I don't know what is happening to us. How, whatever. We have to complete this level. Take a speed, bus. What are you doing? Yes. More speed, more speed, more speed. Yeah. Take a right. Slowly, slowly. Yes. Now I need more speed. 3, 2, 1. I have to jump on this. Jump, jump. Yes, we jumped. We almost reached the finish line. And you're stuck. There you go. Hoo-hoo. Level 2 is completed. Now we finally reached to level 3. So let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Take a left. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. What a great speed of my bus. Kids, if you're watching the video, please subscribe the channel. Hey, 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 take a cut, take a cut. No, 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 whoa, whoa. Oh, what would I do now? I take a back? No, no. I'm gonna fall down. No, finally. This bus is really so much slow. Wow, we jumped again. Take a speed, take a speed. I like yellow road and the blue skies. Yeah. Kids, now we almost reached to finish line. But where are we going? No! Oh no! We fell down again. Oh no. Don't worry. We try again. Take a left. Yes, there you go. No, no. No, this way. Yes, there you go. What is this? Oh my god. This is a dangerous trap. And I have to jump my bus. Come on, my bus. Come on, my bus. Come on, my bus. Yeah, we finally reached to finish line. 3 level completed. I think this level is going to tough for me. Please kids, pray for me. So I can complete this level. Oh, it's too much dark. Oh, my bus. Oh, what is happening? Oh no, my bus. I am stuck. Don't worry, we have to try again. And 3, 2, 1, jump. Yeah. Now we have to take a right. Car right. Don't worry, I have a last chance. The sky is too much black. Whew, it's too much horrible. Kids, you can see this road is made from glass. Oh, it's transparent. Wow, what a beautiful black sky. Where should I go? Where should I go? Please tell me, where should I go? Wait a second. I think I should go there. Yeah. I know how to drive my bus. We almost reached the finish line. 3, 2, 1. Yay! Finally. Now this level is tough. So let's go. I have to save my bus. Wow, jump. Wow, these brown fans, I like. Just drive the car, just drive the car, just drive the car. Wait a second, I think I should take a left. Yes, on the left. Again left. No, don't be crashed. Oh no. Oh no. Oh. Now this time, please my car don't be crashed. This bus is really too much heavy. I can't control him. How? Oh no. Not again. My coins are spending to revive my bus again and again. Now I have no. I have to take a smart work. Take a brake, and slowly take a left, yes. Kids, help me please, so I can complete this level. Ooh. Wait a minute. This path is too much long. Come on, my bus. We almost reached on the finish line, but it's too long. No, don't be crashed. This bus is crashed again and again. I don't like this. Another trap. Oh no. It's too much dangerous. Oh, what we do now? Go! Oh my god. Oh no. No. Take a back. Oh, thank god. Oh. What? What is this? I fell down again and again. My coins are spending of this kind of disgusting thing. Please, its speed is too much slow. Oh, finally. It's too much irritating. Oh. I see the beautiful skies. We almost finally reached the finish line. And there you go. Oh, finally with success. Kids, if you like the video, please subscribe the channel. In this video, we will meet you next time. But now, bye bye. We will meet you next time.